Out of all the hate I see for these mini toolboxes, it's mostly people saying that they aren't very useful since they can't hold much, so I set out to change that. I designed a bunch of very specific inserts to use every cubic inch of space that these little toolboxes have. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll let you know how you can get a hold of the files to 3D print your own, as well as have a chance of getting this toolbox and all of the inserts shown in this video shipped to your doorstep for free. To use this system, you first have to remove all the drawer liners. I designed a spacer for the top tray that keeps the inserts inboard of the lip on the inside of the lid. The spacers have a spot for rare earth magnets that are available from Harbor Freight, but you can also glue the spacers directly in the box or use a thin double-sided tape. The spacers are all the same size, and it'll take 6 of them to go around the perimeter of the top tray. The inserts in the top tray work in a 3x6 unit grid, and I've designed a variety of insert sizes that can be printed out based on the items you'd like to store in the top compartment. It's like Tetris, but only with the easy to place pieces. The biggest issue I found with the Harbor Freight mini toolbox is since the drawers don't fully open, things in the back of the drawer become hard to reach, and that's the reason the trays are designed the way they are. I made 2 specialty trays, one to fit a metric and standard set of 1/4-inch sockets, and another tray to fit the Icon Flex Head bit set that everyone seems to love. The rest of the trays are open for putting in whatever you'd like. The magnets for the drawers are riveted in place, which stops some of the taller trays from being used in the center, so I've designed a variety of trays named short trays that account for that. All of the trays are notched on both sides to clear the tabs that are used to mount the drawers to the drawer slides. If you'd like to get the files to print out your own set, you can find a link in the description below. There are around 69 individual files, and it also includes some solid trays of all different widths and thicknesses if you'd like to make your own custom inserts in whatever CAD program you'd like. If you want a chance of getting this box and all of the empty inserts, I'm giving it away for free for anyone that lives in the US. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below, and I'll pick one subscriber at random on January 31st of 2025. Keep grinding away on those projects, stay lucid, and I'll see you in the next one.